Hey everybody, I'm going to go over how you get to the Art of Destruction activity and then how to submit your work. So if you are on the main Earth Science page, I want you to go to Content, which is up at the top in the green bar, and then you can go to One Earth Science, or Earth Surface, I should say. Click on that. Scroll down to 1.12 weathering. And then you should see this menu pop up. And it'll say the Art of Destruction activity, which you can click on here. And then you should have this screen. So what you need to do is you need to download this first one is the walkthrough of the whole activity. So if you happen to have any problems with not getting through a game, you can download this walkthrough and it'll show you all the information that would have come up on your screen so that you guys can answer the questions. So that first thing, that first PowerPoint is all the information you're going to need to complete those questions. The second one are the actual questions. And if I download them and open them, it still popped up on my other screen here. So I downloaded them. At the very top here, it says enable editing. Make sure you click that. Oh, this is the walkthrough. But make sure you click that when you do your questions. Otherwise, it won't let you edit anything. So you have to click that in order to edit the PowerPoint. So I'm going to close out of this one. Yes, this first one is the actual questions. So make sure you click that enable editing at the top. And then you have your questions. So you have a little introduction slide. I have put a link to that walkthrough where all the information is going to be located. And then I've also stated that next to the question, there'll be a box that looks like this with a slide number. That refers to this PowerPoint. And you're going to find the answer to whatever question is on that slide. So let's look at number 1. I'm going to find the information or the answer to this question, this number 1, on slide 6. So you can type in your answers. Okay, type in your answers. Make sure that you save it. And I generally save it on my desktop because I find that I can find it easy on my computer. So I can click Save As, Browse. I have Art of Destruction activity questions. I generally save it on my desktop. Save. I can go back to the Earth Science page. So I'll close out of this. So I'm back at that page with the questions in the walkthrough PowerPoint. I click Upload. And I'm going to go to my desktop, find my document. Where's my document? Oh, here it is. I open it. I make sure it's all loaded up. And then I submit. And that's it. You're done. You've submitted your questions. If you have any other questions on anything, please feel free to email me.